open it yet, though. I just want to relieve that pressure. So we got a Honda.
How do you guys do the payment? Is there?
You could pay cash card, Venmo, Cash App.
I can do cash.
Sure.
You guys like Westchester based?
I live in Westchester. You called one of my partners. Just a larger company, but
Yeah, I typed in lock keys in car in Google, and then a number came up. I called that.
all right. Don't open it yet, though. I just want to relieve that pressure.
All right, you're good.
Just so we don't damage anything.
Sure.
All right, there you go.
Thank you, sir.